Hello viewers. Let's learn something new in ChatGPT. How much time spent on content writing, essay writing, blog writing? We all are stuck at one point of time in writing. How can we use ChatGPT for content writing? Watch the full video. First step is to go to the browser and search ChatGPT. Click on the OpenAI website and click on ChatGPT. You can search your any query here. But keep in mind, communication with ChatGPT is only in text format. But shortly, ChatGPT also supports images as well as voice. Now I am asking ChatGPT, can you create the blog for me on my video subtitles? Here you can see ChatGPT answer. The second step is to select the video on which you want to write a blog. Click on three dots on the right side and select Show Transcript. Here you can see whole video subtitles. Select and copy the subtitles. Now the third step is to paste the subtitles on ChatGPT and remove the time numbers. At the end of subtitles, you can add your requirements like size, number of words, types. Here I am demanding 500 words essay. As you can see, ChatGPT starts the writing and in a few seconds your essay will be ready. But keep in mind, ChatGPT generated information is not all time correct. So before use of the ChatGPT generated information, please check once. Now you can see your essay is ready. Select and copy the essay. Now the third step is open the WordPad and paste the text essay and make the necessary corrections. As you can see here, 446 word essay is generated. If you need more words, then you can demand it. If you want to more tricks and tips, then comment below. Thanks for watching the video.